3 kilometers. Time for me to head towards a drink, towards a healthy drink. So it goes up this way. I miss my morning workouts and my morning jogs at back home. So the best way to burn calorie is to run around. Gotta show you something. Hello. Guess what? Got something best thing to drink out here. So you have gooseberry.
2 minutes, sir.
No problem, sir.
Aloe vera on the gooseberry on the.
This is wheatgrass, right?
Yes, sir.
You have a juice for this one also?
Yes, sir.
Wow. This is the best option after workout.
Wheatgrass, sir. Gooseberry. 2 minutes, sir.
Oh, that's a generator. Wow. Do you have honey? No, right? Okay.
Half an hour. Only 1 minute.
Perfect. Thank you.
I want to go to
Awesome.
aloe vera.
So till what time will you be here?
Sir, till 9 o'clock. Yes, sir.
Thank you. It was nice. See you tomorrow. See, after workout, you get exhausted, you get a little dehydrated, right? The best way to refresh yourself or rehydrate yourself is to drink a glass of juice. Perfect way to end up your morning jog, or could be a walk, or maybe a workout. This is why I love Bangalore. My goodness, this is really amazing. It's really cute. He's huge. What's his name?
Tio.
Leo.
Tio.
Tio. And his?
Bella. Sit.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You're so cute, Tella. You are so cute. What breed is this?
Golden retriever.
Golden Retriever. Pure Golden Retriever, I believe, right?
This is from US.
Yeah, I know this. How much did it cost you?
I think it's maybe 2.5.
Sorry?
2.5.
2.5. Yeah.
Actually, champion breed.
Champion breed. This is female, that's male, right? Awesome. See you next time. You guys are so cute. Theo, you handsome boy. You handsome boy. You huge boy. You huge boy. You are massive. Bye bye. Theo, bye bye. This is why I like Kaban Park. It's even vibrant out here. You should come out here for walk or jog. It's worth it. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. My name is Arpan Chitri. I hope you all are doing good. मैं आ चुका हूँ. I'm close to Cafe Coffee Day right now. I'm going to Decathlon. I got some shopping to do today. Decathlon, right? Thank you. Gym and all?
Gym we do have separate tank tops.
Okay.
Some polyester.
Okay.
It's just here.
For running and all also, right?
Yeah, for running we do have a set. This for the gym.
Okay. How many floors do you have?
This is ground and first.
Fun, okay. Kiran ki Michael Jordan. Right, that was first floor. Now going to the second floor. So let's see what do we have here. So you can see this is how big it is. Decathlon. Yeah, I think I can have to put my card details and all, right?
Yeah, you have Google Pay.
No, no, no.
Whenever you come to your, anyway the card will be, it will be there in this.
Done, right?
Yeah, so you click back please.
Perfect. Excellent.
Okay, so we're just checking out. So this QR code to security guard.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
It was. Thank you for the thing. It was nice meeting you, man. Hi, sir. I got.
Any particular flavor of coffee you would like, sir?
What are the flavors you have? Okay.
Almost same.
Almost same. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye. People take a selfie in India. Hey Trevor, it was nice talking to you. I spoke to a friend of mine. His name is Trevor, and he is the same guy I keep talking about in my vlog. I got a chance to talk to him. Called him up today. I wish he was there in the vlog. Initially when I came to Bangalore, I had planned to vlog along with him. But right now he's in Kerala. I had plans to go to Kerala, but because of my ear infection, I had to cancel all the flights. Kerala trip also got cancelled. Maybe next time, dude. We'll surely meet someday. It could be Bangalore, it could be Kerala, or it could be Goa. Wow. So what's the name for this dog? Bruno. He is not aggressive, but he is very playful. He or she spoiled my entire t-shirt. I was wearing a white t-shirt. But it's okay. I also have two dogs. Jane and Snoopy. I miss them. Bye bye. See you around. Sir, is there any good saloon out here?
Salon is there.
Where?
Yeah, opposite. First floor.
Oh, first floor, mein. Thank you. See you, bye. Oh, classy saloon. Spa. Saloon के लिए? What massage? Who does it? That kind of massage I don't really need it, bro. I wanted to go for a haircut, but then that place looked really shabby. They're running a different kind of business out there, so I was like not comfortable. So you gotta understand this, that is, I don't believe in human exploitation. जहाँ लड़कियों का जहाँ इज्जत नहीं है ना भाई, अपने को वहाँ पे नहीं जाना है. Simple सी बात है. And if you're buying a woman, you're not a man. Don't be that man. Don't encourage those kind of activities. I urge you all, guys, don't encourage those kind of activities at all. Be a man. Alright guys, I'm done for the mood. थोड़ा खराब सा हो चुका अभी. I didn't expect this from this particular place. Anyway, guys, time to head home. I'll catch you in the next vlog. Be good, do good, and do not forget to like and subscribe my channel if you do like my content. Up until my next vlog, this is me, Arpan, signing off for now. Over and out.